Welcome to the second video. This is part 2 of our trip to the Krimml Waterfalls. If you're wondering how we got here, go have a look at my first video. Today is all about the walk from the parking area up to the first berg station. No rush, no fixed plan, just walking, listening and experiencing the waterfall step by step. The hotel offers a wide variety of food to choose from, which is perfect for a day like this. We made sure to eat well and take our time, knowing we need the energy for the walk ahead. The drive to the waterfall's parking area is short, just about 1.2 kilometers from our hotel. It doesn't take long, and you can already feel the mountains closing in around you and the surroundings starting to change. I took a quick look at the route. The path to the first Almkiosk is about 2.2 kilometers long, with roughly 214 meters ascent and an estimated walking time of around 45 minutes. Nothing extreme, but enough to feel it at the end of the day.
Ist das eine ganze Gruppe?
I wish I could describe the smell of the fresh mountain air and pine trees around us. It's one of those things you have to experience yourself. As we walk on, the path leads us to the ticket station. And of course, no trip is complete without a fridge magnet. Somehow they always seem to find their way home with me. Soon we could see the lowest of the Krimml Waterfalls, where the water tumbles down and falls into the Krimmler Ache, the mountain river below. The sound of the water crashing and rushing through the rocks is powerful and filling the air, a reminder of just how much energy is moving through this place. For now I'll stay quiet and let the scenery speak for itself. After about an hour of walking, we sat down at the Almkiosk and treated ourselves with some desserts. Suddenly, the walk felt even more worth it. From here at the first Almkiosk, you can still see the waterfalls rising even higher up the valley. The official waterfall trail continues all the way to the uppermost waterfalls, which is about 4 kilometers from the ticket area and takes roughly 1 to 1.25 hours of steady walking without long breaks. It's beautiful but steeper climb with several more viewpoints along the way. We are making our way back down now, and with some energy still left and plenty of time in the day, we decided to drive to a nearby gorge, or in German, a Klamm, to explore a little bit more before heading back to our hotel. We have now arrived at Sigmund Thun Klamm, one of the most fascinating natural gorges in the Kaprun valley. Over thousands of years, the Krimmler Ache river carved its way through the rock, creating this narrow 320-meter long gorge with roaring waterfalls, striking rock formations, and pathways that let you walk right above the rushing water. Notice the large turbines. This area is part of the local hydroelectric infrastructure. The water here, after flowing through the gorge, is used to help generate electricity for the region, which is part of why this valley has such a long history with water power. This is the Kaprun electrical substation, where electricity generated by water power is transformed and fed into the grid. If you follow the wooden walkways all the way through, you reach the Klammsee reservoir, a tranquil lake at the end that is beautiful to explore as well. And there it is, the Klammsee. After narrow gorge and rushing water, the lake opens up in this calm turquoise blue, almost unexpectedly. A path circles the lake and we decided to walk the full loop, taking about 20 minutes, just to take in the beauty of this place.
Meinst du den Wirt? Ja, schön. Das
After walking around the lake, we slowly made our way back to the parking area. leaving the Klamm See behind us. If you enjoyed this two-part video series with me, feel free to like and subscribe for more slow travel and time spent outdoors like these. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one.